taken question where few bulbs are connected in series, right? So let us see, this is the diagram, okay, where 40 bulbs are connected in series. So the number of bulbs over here are 40. Now suddenly one of the bulb is fused, right? One of the bulb is fused, then there will be the same series combination, and we have removed the one of the fused bulb, right? And again rest of the 39 bulbs are connected in series, right? Again rest of the 39 bulbs are connected. Let us say this bulb is fused. Fuse, you know what is the meaning of fuse? That means it is not glowing right now after fuse, and its filament is broken, right? Now the same 39 bulbs are connected in series like this, and here we have now 39 bulbs. Now the question is that in which combination the bulb will be illuminated higher, you know, how, where will be the higher illumination, right? What is illumination? Illumination, that means whenever the bulb is glowing brighter, that gives you the feeling of illumination, right? One is more brighter. As we have seen that a bulb with a higher rating is always illuminated higher, right? So here all these bulbs are of the same rating, right? And let us assume in this case that if these are the bulbs all having an internal resistance R, small r, right? Small r, small r, small r, right? Then into this case, same rating of the bulb, same rating of the bulb, that means they are rated to operate on the same voltage. So that's why into the second combination also, when one bulb is fused, right, then we have 39 bulbs. And if let the internal resistance, because you know that every bulb or every equipment has some internal resistance, right? Let internal resistance of one bulb is equal to R, right? If internal resistance of one bulb is equal to a small r, then and when the 40 bulbs are connected into series, it will be looking like this: R, 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 dot 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 till this one, right? R, R, R till this one. When there are 40 bulbs connected, right? And the voltage source is again 220. This will be the combination, right? Now, when one of the bulb is fused, the same combination will happen, but we have 39 bulbs this time. So again R dot 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 till 39, and again the voltage source of 220 volt, right? But here we have 39 bulbs, right? Into both this scenario, when the bulb will grow brighter, illumination will be higher. When illumination, the question is that when will be the illumination higher, with the 40 bulbs of combination or with the 39 bulbs, right? Here it will be higher or here it will be higher, right? Now my dear friend, if this is the internal combination of the bulbs, right, then we know the rating of the bulb is voltage is 220 volt, and all the bulbs are rated to operate at 220 volt, right? Then into this scenario, when 40 bulbs are connected, what is the total power? What is the total power when all the bulbs are connected in series? If you remember the formula, power is equal to va square by r, right? va square by r, right? So into this case, into the first case, the total resistance is 40R, isn't it? Because all the bulbs are connected in series. So 40 bulbs will, all the resistance will add up and this will give you 40R, right? And when 39 bulbs are connected, when one bulb is fused, this bulb is fused, then with this combination, the resistance will be 39R, isn't it? Again, here all the bulbs are with the same resistance. That's the meaning of same rating, right? Now, here 39R. So, into this case, the power will be VA square by 40R, because the total resistance when 40 bulbs are connected in series is 40R, right? So let us say this is P1 or P1, the first case, right? This will give you the resistance as VA square by 40R, right? Now into the second case, this one, what will happen? Here the one of the bulb is fused, so only total 39 bulbs. So the power into this case, let us say P2, right, is equal to, the same formula will be applied, and instead of resistance it will be 39R, right? VA square divided by 39R. Now you can see the denominator, because as I said all the bulbs on same rating, so all having a same resistance, a small r. This one, internal resistance of one bulb is a small r, which we have considered. Now into this case, if I am having, it is rated on the same and same voltage source is applied and with the same rating, then you can see VA square is constant into both the numerators and only the difference is the denominator, and where also R is a constant, but we can say that VA square is constant in both P1 and P2, isn't it? Tell me. Here also VA square and here also VA square, right? And into the denominator, here R and here R. So basically, if you consider P1 and P2, the factors which are affecting over here is 1 by 40 is left, right? And because VA square by R is a constant, and for P2 it will be 1 by 39 into VA square by a small r, right? Now with this we can say that this VA square by r and VA square by r is a constant which can be eliminated, right? So we are left with 1 by 40 and 1 by 30. So now tell me which will be higher, 1 by 40 is higher or 1 by 30 is higher? Definitely, my dear friends, 1 by 40 is higher, 1 by 39 is higher, right? So 1 by 39 is higher. So we can say that with this combination, P2 is greater than P1, right? P2 is greater than P1. So the illumination will be higher here or here. Illumination will be higher over with the combination of 39 bulbs. And this will be your answer, my dear friends, right? So that means in such questions, when the same illumination is given to you, same rating of the bulbs are there, then with the same voltage with the when connected in series, and when one bulb is fused, then if you consider the with the same bulbs are on same rating, then the internal resistance of each of the bulb is a small r. Then with the first combination with the 40 resistances, the total resistance is 40R, and when one bulb is fused, 39 bulbs are left and the total resistance will be equal to 39R. You can see over here 39R. So with 40R and with 39R, power is equal to VA square by R. VA square, voltage is 220 volt, which is constant into both the cases. So VA square is constant. Again, small r is constant. So that's why VA square by R and VA square by R is cancelled out, and we are the power, first power is 1 by 40 into VA square by R, and the second power with the 39 bulbs will be equal to 1 by 39 into VA square by R. VA square by R and VA square by R will be eliminated, and we are left with 1 by 40 and 1 by 39. Definitely denominator is higher over here, so P1 will be lesser. So P1 will be lesser than P2. So into the second case, the illumination, the power consumption is higher and the illumination of the bulb will be higher, or the brightness of the bulb will be higher. So with 39 bulbs, the illumination will be higher, right? Let me show it like this. Here the illumination will be higher. Higher illumination with 39 bulbs combination, right?